Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by blocking the penguin with simple shapes so proportions stay correct. Draw one large oval for the torso and a smaller oval for the head, offset slightly forward to suggest posture. Once done, add a vertical guideline to align facial features and a horizon line for feet placement. Sketch flippers as elongated teardrops and a small rounded tail. These basic forms save time and make later detailing much easier because you'll already have accurate structure to trace over. Now refine those shapes into a single confident outline. You'll smooth joints between head and body and erase unnecessary guides so the silhouette reads clearly. Next, sculpt the face. A short wedge beak angled slightly downward and a clean circular eye with a tiny highlight to suggest shine. Then define the penguin's classic bib by blocking a white chest area with a gentle curved edge. Make the back darker. These steps create the recognizable Gentoo profile while keeping the drawing simple and bold. To finish, add the grounded details that make a Gentoo believable. Draw short stubby legs and flat webbed feet slightly forward under the belly so the pose feels stable. Apply light shading with gentle cross-hatching under the wings and around the neck to suggest volume, but leave the bib bright for contrast. If something looks off, compare head-to-body ratios and nudge shapes. Erase and redraw only the small sections that don't match. One tip: step back and view from a distance to spot proportional errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.